Before buying a microwave oven with grill, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many users complain about uneven cooking and reliability, which can be a real headache. But today, we're digging into the top 5 options that actually deliver. Product number 1, Toshiba EM131A5C-SS. First up is the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS countertop microwave oven. Priced at $148.99, this one caught my attention with its sleek stainless steel design and impressive features. If you want precise cooking with a smart humidity sensor, this is worth a serious look. The smart humidity sensor adjusts cooking time based on moisture levels, so you can finally say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked dishes. With 12 auto menus, it's easy to prep your favorite foods from pizza to veggies. This model has a 4.4-star rating with over 21,200 reviews, which shows it's a crowd favorite. Now, some people complained about the door being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it may feel a little less sturdy, it still functions reliably and gets the job done without hassle, especially for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward and reliable microwave that cooks well without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger capacity, but for the price, it's a solid deal. Product number 2, Toshiba EM131A5C-BS. Now, if that stainless steel look isn't your style, check out the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS. At $133.99, it's a bit cheaper and offers the same fantastic features. If you want a dependable microwave that keeps your food perfectly cooked, this is worth considering. It has the same 1.2 cubic feet capacity with 12 auto menus tailored for your favorite meals. Plus, the black stainless steel finish gives it a modern touch that fits well in any kitchen. With over 32,400 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, this one's clearly popular. However, some users mention that the buttons can be a bit sensitive, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once you get used to it, you'll appreciate how quickly you can access the features you need. This microwave is perfect for anyone who loves a stylish kitchen without sacrificing functionality. Skip this if you need a large capacity or advanced features, but it's fantastic for everyday cooking. Product number 3, Toshiba Air Fryer Combo. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more versatility, the Toshiba Air Fryer Combo. Priced at $199.99, it combines microwave and air frying, which is a game changer. It has a compact design but a spacious 1 cubic foot capacity. The child safety lock is a thoughtful feature for families, ensuring little hands stay safe. With a 4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's gaining traction for its multifunctionality. I did notice some complaints about the air fry feature taking longer than expected for certain foods. But honestly, if you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy fried food, the extra time is worth it for the results. This microwave is perfect for culinary adventurers who want to explore air frying alongside microwave cooking. Skip it if you only want basic microwave functions, but for the price, it's an excellent investment. Product number 4, Black+Decker 5-in-1. Next up is the Black+Decker 5-in-1 microwave oven, which is priced at $162.88. This one really caught my eye with its multifunctionality. If you want an appliance that covers all your cooking bases, this is definitely worth checking out. This compact microwave offers 5 cooking functions including air fry, bake, and roast. It has a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, great for smaller kitchens, and the child lock feature adds peace of mind for parents. With a 4.2-star rating and over 22,400 reviews, it's quite popular in the market. However, some users found the cooking space a bit limited. Here's the thing, if you often cook for a crowd, this might not be the best fit. But if you're cooking for 1 or 2, it's incredibly handy. This microwave is perfect for busy individuals or small families looking for a versatile kitchen tool. Skip it if you need larger capacity, but it's a fantastic value for what it offers. Product number 5, Toshiba Air Fryer Combo 4-in-1. Finally, we have the Toshiba Air Fryer Combo 4-in-1 Microwave Oven. Priced at $271.99, this one offers a little bit more. If you want a premium product that gives you multiple cooking options, this is definitely worth considering. With 1,000 watts of power and a capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, this microwave combines air fry, convection, and grill functions. The larger turntable can fit a whole roasted chicken or 12-inch pizza, making it great for family meals. The smart sensor ensures optimal cooking times, so your dishes come out just right. It has a solid 4-star rating from 3,400 reviews. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit on the pricier side. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for a multifunctional appliance that can replace several kitchen gadgets, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for larger families or anyone who loves to cook a variety of dishes at home. Skip this if you're looking for something basic, but it offers great value for the functionality. So to wrap it up, we've looked at 5 excellent microwave ovens with grilling capabilities. From the reliable Toshiba EM131A5C-SS to the versatile Toshiba Air Fryer Combo 4-in-1, each option has its unique strengths. Depending on your needs, you can't go wrong with any of these choices.